Civilization or Barbarism, an Authentic Anthropology by Dr. Cheikh and Diop. Therefore, no trace is found anywhere in the text of antiquity of a so-called duality of theoretical Greek science as opposed to Egyptian empiricism. Egypt, even conquered militarily, remains the uncontested mistress in all scientific domains, particularly in mathematics. The idea of an empirical Egyptian science is an invention of modern ideologues, those same ones who are looking for ways to erase from the memory of humanity the influence of Negro Egyptian on Greece. This brings us to the second fundamental theorem applied by the Egyptian scribe in problem 14 of the Papyrus of Moscow, figure 36. The solution given by the scribe shows that the Egyptians knew the theorem related to the volume of a truncated pyramid. V equals 1 over 3 A squared AB plus B squared. A formula that, according to Pete and Grun, cited by Gillings, page 189, has not been either surpassed or improved on for 4,000 years. In reality, Pete tried, first timidly, to contest this formula and then thought better of it. He also started by saying that the formula was accurate with the reservation that h definitely represents the height of the truncated pyramid and not its side. Then he concludes that the priests who amazingly arrived at correctly establishing the analytical expression a squared plus ab plus b squared could not have confused height and side, and that consequently the term merit clearly designates a height in this problem. Thus, this achievement has to be credited to Egyptian mathematics. It is the certitude of the formula of the volume of the truncated pyramid that proves today that the Egyptians also knew the formula of the pyramid's volume. Now, this is most common elementary volume in Egypt, and if it were not for the accident of the Papyrus of Moscow's discovery, it would be doubted that the Egyptians ever knew this formula. Once more, the empirical processes that one tries to attribute to the Egyptians in order to arrive at the theorem of the volume of the truncated pyramid are as foolish as the former ones relative to the surface of the sphere. Filling up empty volumes with sand and comparing them by weight, etc. Let us repeat that the theorems relative to the surface of the sphere could not have been established with formulas, for these are certainly unique formulas that the mathematical scholars of the whole world have been trying to rediscover for a century to no avail. The Egyptian recipes are therefore more difficult to put forward than even the theoretical foundations of the theorems concerned. Supreme consecration of the Egyptian genius. For once, empiricism would outclass theory. Here is the impasse where the negation of the facts leads. A formula deduced from empirical considerations is never accurate, even in particular instances, and this every mathematician knows. So all the Egyptian formulas are rigorously accurate. We'll pause right there. Continue back. civilization or barbarism. I'm Uriel. Highest heart.